Hey coach, I am so glad you're here checking out this video because I am about to introduce you to your new best friend. Your new best friend today in this business is called Shareable. Now, chances are your coach, when you signed up with them, they sent you a virtual shopping cart. So it was a link that had all of the products that you wanted to get started with in one spot. You clicked that link and boom, you were ready to go. So today we're going to be talking about Shareable, how to set it up, what you need to get started, and really why Shareable makes everything so much easier for yourself and for your prospects. So for you, it's a great way to put together the cart for them. Maybe there's a product that they've mentioned they have a hard time getting through their workouts, or they're always on the go. And so maybe in addition to a challenge pack, you know that they're probably going to need some Energize, or maybe they're always on the go and they need some snack bars. So you can put together the cart and throw in some of your favorite items for them to check out, and you can say why you put those items in there. They can look at those items, and if they're not interested, no problem, they can remove it from their cart. So the other thing is you can actually see when someone has viewed their shopping cart. That's pretty cool, right? You can also send them the link as well directly. They'll get an email, but you can copy and paste that link and send it in a text or Facebook message, an email, whatever, just to make sure that they've gotten that link and you have that additional point of contact. So are you ready to check out Shareable and see how it works? All right, let's get started. So to access Shareable, you're going to go to your coach online office. From your coach online office, you're going to click on the Grow My Business tab, and then you're going to click on Shareable. Once you get signed in, it's going to bring you to this page that says New Enrollment Cart. There's a couple of things that you're going to need from your new customer or coach before you put together their cart. You're going to need their email address, their first and last name, and of course, what products they want to get started. So you're going to need to know their flavor of Shakeology, Energize, Bevy, whatever it is that they're getting started with. So you're going to put in their email address, and I'm just going to put in bevylover at gmail.com and Mr. Bevy. And let's select the country as the United States. Mr. Bevy speaks English. And here you can choose customer or a coach. So for today, I'm going to go ahead and select on coach. Yes, I have permission to enroll this person. And I'm going to click on continue. So from here, it's going to give us the different options of categories of things that we want to put in their shopping cart. So I'm going to go ahead and just select a challenge pack. And you're going to see all of the challenge packs that we have to offer right now. So we have the annual Beachbody On Demand challenge pack, which is going to give them access to all of the workout programs, except for the programs that are on early access, where they have to do the digital release, or they need to buy that specific program. So MBF, for example, if they're wanting to start MBF and it's still on early access, then you're going to select the MBF challenge pack. And just to kind of throw this out there as well, if someone is specifically wanting to do 80-day obsession, they're going to need the bands, they're going to need the containers, they're going to want maybe the book and things like that. So you would select the 80-day obsession challenge pack. They will still have access to all of the other programs on Beachbody On Demand, but they're getting the materials and items that are required for those specific programs. So let's go ahead and just click on MBF. And here's where you can choose which challenge pack they want to get started with. I'm going to select the Shakeology challenge pack for MBF. And here you can see it shows everything that is included. It shows the price. And then you'll choose their Shakeology. Are they wanting a single flavor? Are they wanting a combo flavor? Let's just do combo flavor. And for the fun of it, let's choose the triple vegan combo chocolate. This is what I have at home. This is what I'm currently subscribed to, which is the barista vegan combo. So we're going to put that into the cart. And let's just say that I know this person mentioned that um, they also like to have snacks like when they're on the go. So I'm going to choose a nutritional supplement and I'm going to put in, okay, let's go ahead and put in Bevy because that's what's pulling up. So you just go to whatever else you might want to put in there. I was actually looking for beach bars, but as you can see here is the beach bars, collagen boost, performance, the performance packs. 3-day refresh is a really great one for someone that's starting a new program because it's a great way to jumpstart their program. But because Bevy is my new best friend also, we're going to put in a package of Bevy. And whenever I send them the cart, I will let them know that, hey, I put in a box of Bevy. I love it. It really keeps me full throughout the day and really helps me curb my cravings. I thought you might want to check it out. Okay, we're going to click on the little shopping cart icon there, and everything is there because they're signing up as a coach. It includes the digital business starter kit, and everything is there. So from here, you're going to click send email. I really hope nobody has bevylover@gmail.com because they're going to get an email from my daughter. So the email has been sent, and right here is where you can click copy shareable link. Okay, so it's now copied onto my computer and I can control V paste into an email, a text message, Facebook Messenger, maybe it's on Instagram, and just say, hey, I'm so excited that you're ready to get started. I went ahead and put together your virtual shopping cart. By the way, I put in Bevy, and that is where you would just say why you put that in there. And one thing that I kind of overlooked, I didn't share with you, is that you can actually customize the emails. If you wanted to put something specific in there, you can do that as well. Oh, I forgot to show you where you actually see how they viewed the shopping cart. So from here, you would click on cart status. And I'm not going to click on it for the sake of privacy because I have some share carts in there. But right here, when you go to share a cart, you would just click on cart status, and it's going to show you if they've viewed their cart, if they've purchased their cart. Maybe you need to send them a reminder like, hey, I just wanted to make sure you got the link to your cart. I know you were super excited to get started, so I just wanted to make sure you didn't miss it, right? And that's it. Welcome to your new best friend, Share a Cart. Again, you can access that through the Coach online office. Cheers.